So here we are then. Like I said, welcome to the European Data Innovation Hub. We are a non-profit organization and we feel comfortable being a non-profit organization. It's fun after 25 years of commercial activities, which I had before. So without further delay, I would like to introduce, like I said, one of our biggest fans, Mr. Frank Koster, the CEO of AXA. Thank you, Frank.
Thank you very much, Philippe. Good morning, everybody. A special welcome to State Secretary Debaets, to the member of the Cabinet of EU Vice President Anders Ansip, Mr. Jörgen Gren, and soon to arrive Deputy Prime Minister Alexander De Croo. I'm very pleased and very honored to welcome you all here to Souverain 23, the new location of the Data Innovation, the European Data Innovation Hub. Our two organizations, AXA and the organization of Philippe, got together or got to know each other much better around the time of the seminar, the European Data Innovation Summit, which was held here in the big meeting room on the 26th of March. And you see a photo there. A very, very big show of people that were very passionate about data and a very fruitful discussion. And we got to know each other very well then, and from on that day the idea was born to actually offer the space that we have. We have redundant space because we're moving to a new way of work, which is much more agile, much more lean, and requires less space. So we have some excess capacity. And one of our colleagues came with a great idea to offer the excess capacity to one of the most promising new startups in, even if it is non-profit, Philippe, the European Data Innovation Hub, the promising new startup, which has a philosophy of open doors and collaboration, and that suits AXA very, very well. So you're now, you say welcome to the chapel, I say in a different way, welcome to our garage, because we hope that from this garage a lot of great new ideas will spring up, just like it happens in Silicon Valley, but then here in the Forêt de Soignes. The collaboration between the European Data Innovation Hub and AXA is based on a few sort of shared principles. We want it to be a win-win for all parties, but first, the shared principles is first of all the belief in data and the power that data can have in transforming the way we live and the way we do business. In AXA, we embarked on a journey to make our company more simple and more connected. To improve the customer experience, and we use data, and we want to do that much more, as the fuel for that transformation. We want to know our customers much better and anticipate their needs. Yeah? So if hailstorms or other perils were to come, we want to be ahead of the curve as opposed to behind the curve, which is where we find ourselves today in dealing with claims. And we think data is a great facilitator to help us reposition our company. We also work together, and we need, of course, a lot of data know-how and data experts to help us with that transformation. We also are very happy that we can truly collaborate, because that's the spirit is one of openness and one of reaching out, giving a hand to other people that are like-minded in spirit, be they startups or be they large corporates that we welcome very much as innovation partners. And I'm happy to see that a few of them are here present with us today. Thirdly, I think, and that's what we share in spirit, is to be on the forefront of this digital transformation and the data transformation that is out there, and to also show that Brussels is a cool place for people that have a lot of capabilities. And we're fortunate that in Belgium there's a lot of great universities and very talented people, and it's a position of strength that we want to further capitalize on. So having said that, I mentioned there, and you see here the ribbon that we're going to cut says welcome to NWOW, and WOW stands for the new way of work. You'll find in there a very agile, it may be not the fanciest looking place, but it's certainly not bad for a garage, and it's completely based on agile and collaborative way of working, which is also where AXA wants to take itself in the future. So thank you very much for joining us today. All the success, Philippe, to the Data Innovation Hub, and I hope we can welcome many more partners to join us in the months and years to come. Thank you very much.
We had a lot of